traffic cop. They locked it. Well, this is fun.
Dude, how do you know all this stuff?
My uncle installs these things.
Oh, that's sweet.
Shut up! God.
Like one.
God, what the hell?
It has to be shut off by the annual key of like the.
Well, no, that's just their key.
Yeah, the it has to be shut off.
The panel thing is inside the office. Oh wait, maybe I can turn it off from here. Please work. Thank you. They have to shut that other thing off.
Okay. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and
Yeah, it's the same detector.
rearm the building.
Well, you won't be able to while that thing's going.
Really?
They're gonna show back up again.
Well, I guess let's go ahead and clear out.
Yep. Yeah. That's stupid. Wow. Wow.
Over now.
The fire alarms. Well, I mean, it's kind of stupid. I mean, the thing went off.